Hi everyone, welcome back to the CareerBuddy YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing a quick tutorial on how you can convert your PDF files to Microsoft Word documents. I'm going to be showing you two methods you can use to achieve this feat. The first is using Microsoft Word itself. So on my computer, I'm going to go ahead to launch my Microsoft Word app. And once it's launched, I'm going to create a blank document. On this blank document, I'm going to navigate to the File option and select Open. Here, I want to open my PDF document. So I'm just going to browse my PDF document, and here it is. Select it and open in Microsoft Word. I'm going to get a prompt immediately I attempt to do this, telling me that Word will now convert my PDF to an editable Word document. And I want Word to do this, so yes, go ahead. Now my PDF document has already been converted to a Word file. If I want to save this, I'm going to come back to File and select Save As. Select the location I want it to be saved to, and I'm just going to put in front of this Microsoft Word file and ensure that it is being saved as a Word document, and then save. That is the first method. The second method I'm going to be using is Google Docs. So the first thing I want to do is to open my Google Drive from my Google account. You have to be logged into your Google account to be able to access your Google Drive. And then if I don't have the document I want to convert on my Google Drive, I will just have to click on New here and upload the file to my Google Drive. So here's the PDF document that I want to convert to a Word file. I'm going to select Open. Once this is uploaded on my Google Drive, I'm going to select it, and at the top of this document, I can see the option to open with Google Docs, and I'm going to go ahead to click that. You can see a drop down where you can see other third-party apps, but I want to use Google Docs. And now my PDF has been converted to a Google Doc file, and if I want to save this on my device, all I have to do is go to File, select Download, and select Download as Microsoft Word. And my PDF document will be downloaded to my device as a Microsoft Word document. And that is it. You now have a fully editable Microsoft Word document you can use for your own purposes. You can now edit the text, add images, change the formatting, and much more. Give any of these methods a try and let us know if you have any questions in the comment below. If you enjoyed watching, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more workplace hacks like this one.